Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 2, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to make 10 when one addend is 8. Now, I introduced our new friend in class today, but I want to introduce you guys to her again. Now, I introduced you guys a few lessons ago about the greedy 9. Now we have a new friend that we're going to be working with, and that's the selfish 8. Now the selfish 8 loves to take 2 away from the other part and make itself 10. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, is that selfish 8. So selfish 8 loves to take 2. Okay, but before we get ahead of ourselves and start working on this, we know that Miss Perkins loves to give some steps. So let's look at our steps. Number 1, we're going to create the matching addition sentence. 2, we're going to make a 5-group drawing with the known numbers and label our picture. 3, we're going to circle to show how we made 10 to solve. 4, we're going to circle the new matching addition sentence with 10 as an addend. 5, we're going to add to solve. 6, we're going to complete the statement. Okay, so we know the first thing is that we're going to create the matching addition sentence. Well, that's whenever we have actual word problems. So since we don't have a word problem, the addition sentence is already there for us. So we can just put a check because the addition sentence is already there for us. Number 2, we're going to make a 5-group drawing with the known numbers, and we're going to label our picture. Now, we can't really label our picture because we do not have a word problem. If we had a word problem, we would label it. But we don't have anything to label because we don't know what it would be. So, but we are going to make our picture or our 5-group math drawing. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fact, I'm going to move it over here to have more room later. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to draw 7. And we know that we're going to continue doing the 5-group drawing. So we're going to put X's for our other part, which is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now, looking at it, we're going to circle to show how we made 10. So let's see. We know that this is 10. Now remember what I told you. Selfish 8 loves to take 2. Well, look how many X's are in the circle. 2. So the selfish 8 took 2 away from that 7. So now I'm going to put a check on step number 3. Step number 4, we're going to create a new matching addition sentence with 10 as an addend. Okay, so now we're going to create a new matching number sentence with 10 as the addend. So we know that it's 10 plus 5 equals 15. Because we know that there was 10 in every circle, 5 outside the circle, and then there's 15 altogether because we know it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So check. Now, I want to show you guys. Now we know that 10 plus 5 equals 15. So now we know that 8 plus 7 also equals 15. So we know that we can look at both of those together and we can see that it is 15 because it's the same thing. Because we know that selfish 8 took 2 away from that 7, which is why there's 2 X's in the circle. So we know that 8 plus 7 equals 15. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.